Acura TL. Air ain't coming good enough at all. You could barely get some airflow in here. Let me show you guys really quick what I'm talking about. There's the fan's full blast, and you hear the motor, you hear it, but it's not really coming out. You just hear it go like that. So what we're gonna do is here we're gonna service the cabin filter. That's what it's called. If you guys go buy it at the store, it has a little thing here. We're gonna put it in, so you can do it lower the glove box, and then it's gonna be right here. Let me see. This one? Yeah, this one. Hold on. Box goes all the way down, and the filter's right there. This is gonna be hard to remove. I just remember it's a little bit different, but the cabin filter here is clogged up. I want you guys to see. Let me see. It goes right here. So we're gonna go ahead and remove it. We're gonna lower it. Get a Phillips screwdriver. So we get some nice clean air. Other vehicles of the Hondas, you'll just see the cap and it's easier. You don't have to remove none of this. It's just you bring the glove box down and you change it pretty easy. See, here's a lot of things has to come out. Look all the trash coming out already. Look. Oh boy. This one's coming out already, but we're gonna remove the top. Shoot, right now. Just watch. Remove the top. So we're gonna go ahead and remove better the cap that goes around this piece. Go ahead and remove it. Like I said, each car is different. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this lower piece right here. I'm gonna leave my drill. My drill. There you go. Okay, then these are screwed in or not? These two are in. So we're gonna have the cabin filter pretty clogged up in there. This down, almost out right there. We still need, I think, another one on the corner, but we're gonna see maybe we can get through with this one. And now I'm gonna go ahead and remove I think this panel here. This panel here I think has a screw cut. This one's not removable, I think. Let's see. Removable. It's more work, so let's just try to pull it out there. You can see it's trying to come out already. Yeah, you can see it right there, the filters all clogged up. Watch. Let me lower the fan. Let me turn it off actually. It's off right there. Okay. There you go. Let's pull it out. Oof. Look at that. Who knows for how many years this hasn't been cleaned up. I don't even want to show you guys. It's so dirty. Look at that. Look how dirty is it in there, guys. I'm going to go ahead and clean it out and vacuum it.